Uwemwega. Welcome or welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Today we are learning past tenses. This video was requested by one of my YouTube students. We have so many tenses in Kikuyu language. Past tenses in Kikuyu, we have 4 categories, and present tenses we have so many, and also the future tenses. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and remember to share this video with anyone who wants to learn Kikuyu language. And this is my email address. If you have any feedback, if you have any inquiries, just reach me through that email address. Tenses are very important no matter what language you are learning, so I hope these ones will help. In Kikuyu, we have 4 categories of past tenses. We talk about what happened a few moments ago, which is kahida kanini kahituku. Earlier today, which is tene wa umuthi. Yesterday, which is ira. And a long time ago, which is tene. So I will start with a few moments ago, kahida kanini kahituku. I have 10 verbs that we're going to look at, and we're learning how to say what did I do a few moments ago, what did you do a few moments ago, and what did she or he do a few moments ago. This is one of the easiest tenses that you're going to do. So if it's me who just did something, I will say nda plus the verb. If it's us who just did something, then we'll say twa plus the verb. If it's you, then it will be wa plus the verb. If it's you plural, it's going to be mwa plus the verb. If it's he or she, it's going to be a plus the verb. If it's them, it's going to be ma plus the verb. If it's an animal, it's going to be ya plus the verb. What do I mean by this? Our first verb is read. Read is dhoma. To read is udhoma. So if I was to say I just read a book, I'll say nidathoma ifuku. Nidathoma ifuku, or dathoma ifuku. Nie nidathoma ifuku. If it's us, I will say idue twathoma ifuku. Idue ni twathoma ifuku. You, we ni wathoma ifuku. We wathoma ifuku. You plural, inyue ni mwathoma ifuku, or mafuku if you want to say the plural. Inyue ni mwathoma mafuku. If it's he or she, we ni athoma ifuku. We ni athoma ifuku. If it's them, o ni mathoma mafuku, o ni mathoma mafuku. If it's a chicken that just laid an egg, a hen just laid an egg, I'll say goko nearekia itube. Goko nearekia itube. So in the next 9 verbs, try with the plurals, because I'm only going to do for me, you, and he or she. Our second verb is to eat. Eat is rea. So if I say I just ate a banana, it will be nedarea irigo. Nedarea irigo. You newarea irigo. Newarea irigo. He or she nearea irigo. Nearea irigo. What about them? Nemaria irigo. Nemaria irigo. The third verb is close. Higa. To close, kohiga. I just closed the door. Nedahiga morago. Nedahiga morago. We newahiga morago. We newahiga morago. We neahiga morago. We neahiga morago. To open is kohigora. So open is just higora. I have just opened the window. I say nedahigora dirisa. Nedahigora dirisa. We newahigora dirisa. Newahigora dirisa. What about you, plural? Nemwahigora dirisa. Nemwahigora dirisa. He or she neahigora dirisa. Jerry neahigora dirisa. I just realized that I use Jerry a lot in these examples, but I think it's because that's my mother's name. Jerry neahigora dirisa. To draw is gusora. So draw alone will be sora. If I said I just drew a flower, it will be nedasora ihoa. Nie nedasora ihoa. We newasora ihoa. We newasora ihoa. We ne asora ihoa. We ne asora ihoa. To carry is gokua. So carry alone will be kuua. To say I just carried my bag, it will be nedakua mohuko wakwa. Nedakua mohuko wakwa. We newakua mohuko waku. We newakua mohuko waku. We niakua mohuko wake. We niakua mohuko wake. To take is kuoya. So take will be oya. I just took my phone, which by the way also means I received a call. So I'll say nedoya vimo. Nedaoya vimo. For you, it will be newoya vimo. Newoya vimo. For he or she, when neoya vimo. Neaoya vimo. Neoya vimo. Use is hodera. I just used all the money. I'll say neda hodera besa siode. Neda hodera besa siode. We newa hodera besa siode. We newa hodera besa siode. We nea hodera besa siode. We nea hodera besa siode. To comb your hair is gosanora juire. So to just say comb is sanora. So to say I just combed my hair, it will be neda sanora juire yakwa. Neda sanora juire yakwa. If it's to do the hair like this, kushuka in Swahili, or kusuka, it's nedakeda juire yakwa. Nedakeda juire yakwa. We ni wasanura njuire yaku. We ni wasanura njuire yaku. We ni asanura njuire yake. We ni asanura njuire yake. And finally, we have ask. Ask is oria. To say, I just asked the teacher a question, it will be Nedoria mwarimu kioria. Nedoria mwarimu kioria. Another case of combined vowels. A plus O will be O. Nedoria. Nedoria mwarimu kioria. We ni woria mwarimu kioria. Ni woria mwarimu kioria. We ni oria mwarimu kioria. We ni oria mwarimu kioria. If we were to talk about a book and then we say the book has fallen, has just fallen, it will be ifuku ni riagwa. Fall is wa. So ifuku ni riagwa. And that is the end of this lesson. The next lesson will be for earlier today past tenses. So I am hoping to see you in that next lesson. And remember to do the plurals for all the verbs that I've not done plural for. Tipo wega!